Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, magkagawa lang tayo ng short review about logarithms and exponentials. No? So let's start with exponent rules and laws. No? So unang-una would be the product rule. So pag product rule, pag we have a to the m times a to the n, then this is equal to a to the m plus n. No? So ina-add lang natin yung mga exponents. And yung kabaliktaran naman, if we have division, a to the m over a to the n, this would be a to the m minus n. Okay? Take note na m yung nasa taas, m yung nauna, then n yung nasa ilalim, n yung nahuli. Okay? And then we also have power rule. So power rule is a to the m raised to n, and this is equal to a to the m times n. Okay? So minumultiply lang. Okay, so yung logic dito is if you have a to the m n times, then you have a to the m times a to the m times a to the m times dot n times. So basically you are multiplying by n, no? So a to the m times n. Okay? So we also have power of a product rule. So sinasabi lang yun sa atin na if you have ab to the m, pwede natin i-distribute yung n, no? So a to the m, b to the m. And pwede rin yun sa quotient, no? So pag quotient naman, if you have a over b to the m, this is equal to a to the m over b to the m. Again, nadi-distribute lang sa loob yung exponent. And we also have the zero exponent rule. So anything to the zero, basta hindi siya equal to 0, this is equal to 1. Okay, so we also have the negative exponent rule kung saan sinasabi niya na if you have a to the negative m, equal lang to sa reciprocal. No? So 1 over a to the n. And this will become very important kapag nagtatake tayo ng limits ng logarithmic or exponential functions. And lastly, we have fractional exponent rules kung saan sinasabi na a to the m over n ay equal lang sa nth root ng a to the m. Kaya natin nasasabi na square root ng a. So this is square root ay may imaginary 2 dyan. Meron din dito na imaginary 1. This is equal to a to the 1/2. Okay, so that is for exponent rules. And now let's move on to logarithmic rules. So if we have the log base b of mn, this is equal to just the log base b of m plus log base b of n. Okay, so yung multiplication dito, nagiging addition. Okay, and pwede rin yung kabaliktaran. So log of m over n is equal to log base b, okay, base b of m minus log base b of n. So yung division nagiging subtraction. Okay? We also have the power rule kung saan we have log of m raised to k. This is k log m base b. Okay? So sinasabi lang yan na pwede natin ibaba yung exponent. Okay? And also we have log base b of 1 is equal to 0 kasi b to the 0 is equal to 1 assuming that the base is not equal to 0. Okay? And pwede rin naman na log base b of b is just equal to 1 kasi b to the 1 is equal to b. Okay? And may mga special rules tayo kung saan sinasabi natin na if you have log base b of b to the k, this is equal to k. Kasi using yung power rule dito, power rule, pwede natin na ibaba yung k. Tama? Magiging k log base b of b. And sabi natin, log base b of b is equal to 1. No? So kaya siya equal to just k. And sinasabi rin natin na if you have b raised to log base b of k, this is equal to k. Okay? This will become very important sa mga exponentials natin. Okay? So this is just a short review ng exponential and logarithmic rules. So I'll see you in the next video.